from this sketch to this digital painting. When I'm using digital illustration, I follow the same way I would use my materials on traditional, because this is how I've been trained. I haven't been using digital for long, so I'm just used to following the same way that I do with my ink. In this case, it's an ink brush. So I began trying to find out the face features and the posture of the head. Always I begin that way, and then that served me as a point of reference to continue working with everything and all the different elements. And I use it in the same way I will use my ink brush without the pencil lines before, so it's more intuitive. And the lucky thing with the digital is that if I make mistake I can erase, but I'm just trying to be very expressive here. Then I use a general tone for the painting, and then I block in the different areas depending on how many layers my Procreate allows me, which are not many unfortunately. So I have to be very thoughtful about where I put the color, so I can use the limited layers. And once everything is blocked, I start doing all the shades and different hues, the gradations and shades, shadows, and final lights.